These 3 plants will make your garden look nice, and you can also eat them. And it all starts with this. We plant this directly into some pre-watered soil, usually in seed trays, and then in a few weeks it will look a little bit like this, which is when you can plant it out in your garden. And while all that's happening, we plant our second seed, which can be a little slower to get going, so it's important you start it at the same time as the first seed. Just plant this narrow side down into some pre-watered compost in some pots, inside or in your greenhouse. So once you've got your first plant in place and it's about this big, that's when we introduce this seed, which I recommend sowing directly into the soil once you've given it a good water at the base of the first plant. This is what's known as a climbing plant. So as your first plant is growing up, this plant will curl itself around the stalk of that plant. So you're essentially doubling your food harvest from one area. And once this seed has started to grow, it will look a little bit like this. And these 3 plants work really well together. The first plant, which is corn, provides a nice, stable, cane-like pole structure for the second plant, the climbing bean, to climb up. And then our last plant is the squash, which creeps along the floor, and its leaves help keep the soil moist and cool in summer. And together, these 3 power plants are known as the 3 sisters.